Alert! Deep in the North American wilderness, two species strike fear into the land. Wolves, cold-blooded hunters, moving like ghosts, taking down prey in total silence. Feral hogs, reckless, destructive, charging through everything in their path. They no longer fear humans, and today they become the hunted. Rifles locked, drones in the sky, mud flying, gunshots ringing, hearts pounding. This isn't just a hunt, it's a battle to take back invaded ground. Hit like, share, and get ready. The chase starts now. The coyote is a symbol of adaptability. With a population of about 4.7 million, they dominate 49 U.S. states, from dense coniferous forests and vast grasslands to barren deserts and bustling urban areas. Texas hosts the largest population, with millions residing there. Weighing 20 to 50 pounds, coyotes can reach speeds of 40 miles per hour and are omnivorous, consuming everything from fruits and vegetables to fresh meat and carrion. But this versatility comes with trouble. Coyotes often attack livestock and destroy crops, causing millions of dollars in damage annually. To protect agriculture and maintain ecological balance, hunting them is legalized, but hunters must strictly follow state-specific regulations on hunting seasons and licenses. Though their meat is rarely used, coyote fur is highly valued in the fur and craft industries, used in everything from high-end coats to decorative items. The ideal time to hunt is late morning or late afternoon in late fall and winter, when lower temperatures prompt coyotes to be more active to stay warm. The natural camouflage from dry grass also decreases, making them easier to spot. Hunters choose high points on open fields, the edges of thickets, or near rivers and swamps, areas where coyotes typically forage. The .223, Remington .2250, or Winchester .243 are preferred weapons due to their accuracy and power. To lure them, hunters use mouth calls or electronic collars, emitting sounds of injured prey or coyote howls. However, calls must be intermittent. Too much will make them suspicious and cause them to flee. When prey is in range, hunters remain completely silent, aiming for the chest for a quick, humane kill that also preserves the fur's value. Besides guns, pit traps are an effective and less painful method. Hunters dig pits 12 to 13 inches deep, place traps in the center, and camouflage them with a thin layer of soil. Bait like fresh meat, a rodent mixture, or bobcat urine is spread around to attract them. When a coyote falls into the trap, a quick shot finishes it off. Real-life story. In 2021, a farm in Oklahoma reported losing 20 sheep in a single night to coyotes. Using pit traps, the farmer caught 5 coyotes, saving the livestock from further losses. Have you ever seen a coyote in real life? Share your story in the comments below. But coyotes aren't the only troublemakers out there. On another front, a creature even more aggressive and dangerous is wreaking havoc across the U.S. Wild hogs, the notorious destroyers of rural America. In June 2022, a Texas farmer woke up to find 2,000 pounds of crops destroyed by wild hogs, leaving the field like a battlefield. With 6 million hogs across 35 states, they cause $2.5 billion in damage annually in the U.S. They uproot gardens, golf courses, deplete food sources for deer and turkeys, and disrupt ecological balance. More alarmingly, they attack humans, over 100 incidents, 5 fatalities, and carry 30 diseases and 37 parasites, threatening the pork industry, the world's 3rd largest pork producer. The U.S. government spends over $100 million annually to reduce the wild hog population. In the Great Smoky Mountains alone, 15,000 hogs have been removed using traps and guns. Hunting and trapping are encouraged with no restrictions on methods, ranging from traditional to high-tech. Wild hog hunting, not just a pastime, but a battle to protect crops, land, and the ecosystem. In the U.S., wild hogs are an extremely dangerous invasive species. They destroy crops, kill livestock, spread diseases to humans, and reproduce at a terrifying rate. They can double in number every year if not controlled. Wild hog hunting usually takes place at night, when they emerge from the forest to forage and are less vigilant. Hunters use drones equipped with infrared cameras to spot hog herds from above, mainly along riverbanks, swamps, or forest edges, places where they prefer to be active. A mandatory condition: move upwind, because a hog's sense of smell is 10 times sharper than a hunting dog's. Just one whiff of human scent, and the whole herd will immediately retreat. The preferred weapon is a rifle firing penetrating bullets aimed at the front shoulder, where the heart and lungs are located. Only a precise shot ensures taking down the prey with its thick skin and heavy bones. Unlike at night, wild hogs are less likely to appear during the day, but it's not impossible. They often show up in areas with mud, shade, or fields devastated by farm damage. At this time, hunters take advantage of the daylight, using long-range scopes to shoot from afar, or organizing encirclements with off-road vehicles. Daytime hunting is suitable for open, dry terrain or on hills, vantage points with wide views, making it easy to calculate the hog's escape routes and set up effective ambushes. Another option, helicopter hunting. Under the whirring rotor blades, shooters take down feral hogs from the air, an adrenaline-pumping and highly effective experience. Cost per trip, about $4,000, but it can eliminate dozens, even hundreds of hogs in just a few hours. In 2023, a group of hunters in Florida used a helicopter to take out 120 hogs in a single day, saving a farm from financial ruin. However, the noise and brutality of this method make it highly controversial, especially in nearby residential areas. If shooting isn't your thing, automated sensor traps are the top choice. These high-tech traps, costing $30,000 to $75,000, can capture an entire herd of 30 to 50 hogs in one go. How it works: pick a spot near water with shade and accessible by vehicle. Bait continuously for 10 to 14 days. Fermented corn, molasses, rotten vegetables. Install a camera for monitoring via smartphone. Once the herd feeds consistently for at least 3 nights, hunters remotely trigger the gate. Trapping the entire group in a steel enclosure. No gunfire, no noise, no risky chases, just patience and precision. After being trapped, the hog is quickly dispatched to ensure safety and prevent the spread of brucellosis, a disease transmissible to humans through blood. Hunters always wear gloves, use specialized knives, process the hog on site, and then transport it for storage. Wild hog meat, ranging from 80 to 180 pounds per animal, lean, firm, and free of strong odor, is a favored ingredient at many high-end restaurants and farms. Currently, about 15 licensed processing facilities operate across the U.S., each handling 1,500 to 1,700 hogs annually. From dark forests to scorching fields, from helicopter blades to automated traps, the battle against wild hogs is far from simple. They're smart, resilient, and reproduce relentlessly. To win, humans must constantly innovate, adapt tactics, and never back down.